Okay, I'm going to show you my algo trading strategy that I think any beginner can absolutely master in like a day, okay? And with this algo trading strategy, you do not need to know anything about computer programming or coding or anything like that. This is simply plug and play, okay? Works on all markets, as you can see right here, and it doesn't use any indicators at all, all right? Just simple trend lines. So let's get into it. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope your trading is going well. And in this video, we're going to talk about algo trading strategies for absolute beginners. Okay, whether you started your trading career yesterday or if you've been trading for 30 years, I firmly believe that anybody can benefit from bringing some type of automation into your trading. Okay. And here's the thing, right? I think a majority of traders out there find automated trading or algo trading to be somewhat difficult, maybe even somewhat intimidating. And what I can promise you in this short video is that by the end of this video, you are going to learn my simple algo trading strategy. I'm going to show you how to deploy it onto your own charts with one click. And frankly speaking, I'd be shocked if it took you more than one day to master the strategy that I'm going to show you here in this video. Okay, now before we do that, let's talk about the benefits of bringing automation into your trading and really how you can take your trading to the next level. All right, so if I had to come up with a list of what I think would be the most popular reasons for any trader to bring some automation into their trading, this would be the list. There's only three things, right? Number one, trading efficiency. What does that mean? Well, trading efficiency, okay, if you are a serious trader, then you're probably running your technical analysis on several instruments, right? Maybe even several asset classes. Maybe you're trading the NASDAQ and the Dow, or maybe you're trading the GBP and the Euro, okay? Or maybe you're trading Facebook and you're trading Tesla, okay? When you automate your trading, the algo strategy can trade a bunch of different instruments, right? You could trade 100 different stocks at the same time. Of course, obviously, if you have a large enough brokerage account, right? You could trade 5, 10 different currency pairs or futures instruments at the same time, right? That's what an algo can help you do. It brings your trading to a much, much larger degree of efficiency. Item number 2 on the list, this is easy. Open up a position fast, right? No more will you need to be fussing around with the mouse, getting your stops in place, your profit targets, etc. One click, you're in to that position, right? With your stop in place and your profit targets ready to go, right? If you ask me, this one here, opening up a position fast, to me, that is priceless, okay? Absolutely priceless. And if you're one of those traders out there that's ever missed a winning trade because you were just fumbling around with the mouse or you were trying to get some stuff open with your broker, you know what I'm talking about, right? You know how valuable this is when it comes to opening a position fast. And the best part, what I like, what's my favorite, is you can integrate this into any broker, right? I mean, these are the big ones, MT4, NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim, but really this strategy could probably integrate into any broker in the world, all right? Great, so now that you're up to speed on the benefits of how any beginner can transform their trading into expert level, right, by automating your trading, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a live use case on how to deploy this algo into a simple trendline trading strategy. All right, so let's do this. All right, so the first thing we got to do is we got to get to a side-by-side setup of your charts, just like this. All right, I've got a higher time frame chart running on the left and a smaller time frame chart running on the right of the exact same instrument. And guys, all I'm doing is I'm running the automated trendline strategy on the left. Okay, that's all it is. It's an automated trend line that jumps around all day long for you, and it gives you loud audio alerts whenever a trend line breaks. Okay, so what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for this trend line to break to the upside, and then I'm going to show you how to turn on the algo. Okay, so let's just watch this and see what happens here. Okay, now did you hear that? Did you hear that loud audio alert, that doorbell sound? Okay, what that was an alert that lets you know, hey boss, the price has now penetrated and closed above the trend line, right? So now you're looking for bullish opportunities and you're a buyer. Period. End of story. You are now only looking for longs, okay? So now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and maximize the chart on the right just like this so we can get a nice big picture, clean and clear view of the smaller time frame chart, what I like to call the micro chart, and I'm going to show you now how to turn on the algo, right? Now that we know our direction, now that we're confirmed in what direction of the trade we want to go in, it's as simple as turning on and enabling the algo, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click this button here in the top called Strategies. And what's going to happen is the Algo Trading Strategy window is going to open up containing all your strategies. And all you got to do, okay, this is how simple it is. This is how simple plug and play really is. All you got to do is, do you see this box here called Enabled, right? I'm just going to go ahead and check that box. And I'm going to hit OK. All right, and it's now going to make your micro chart look like this. And what you're going to notice is the micro chart looks almost identical to the higher time frame chart. What's the difference? Well, I'm going to show you what the difference is in just a few seconds. But for now, let's keep this train moving and let me show you what the algo actually did in terms of taking this trade. All right. So what we're looking for, oh, there we go. Can you see that? Did you see what just happened there, guys? What the algo actually did for you was it took that trade for you, okay? And it placed several orders for you, okay? The most important one is the stop. There were several profit targets up here. What you just saw a few seconds ago was this break-even target get filled. And all that means, guys, is that you now have a free trade going on right now, right? As a trader, I can tell you that there is nothing more satisfying than knowing that you have a risk-free trade going on, right? You're basically playing with house money at this point, right? So if we let the algo keep doing its thing, I want you guys to watch this, all right? What you're going to see is, oh, okay, there you go. The algo just keeps running. So the outcome of the trade, there's only two outcomes, right? Either your stop is going to get hit or your profit target is going to get hit, right? And what you saw here as this algo was running, both of the profit targets were actually hit successfully. And when that happens, you basically exit out of your winning trade, and unless you reset the algo is going to keep taking trades for you, right? So it's your decision whether you want to turn the algo off right now or do you want to keep letting it run, okay? And if we go back to the side-by-side view that you originally saw a few minutes ago, when I originally loaded up this example for you, okay, everything that you saw the algo do on the right, okay, happened in the chart on the left in this section right over here, right? In fact, you can even see the text on the chart appears. This was the entry right here. This was the break even that we got to very quickly. And then up here is where we exited for a huge winner. Okay, so that's really the story, guys. I mean, this strategy is going to work on any instrument, all futures, all Forex, all stocks. I don't think you saw me do anything super complicated, right? All I did was just press a button to load up the algo and let the algo do all the heavy lifting for me, okay? And if we move this chart down a little bit and sneak a peek at our P&L, you can see that this was a nice potential winner here, doing nothing except running a simple algo. Okay, so I think that'll do it, guys. I think that's going to conclude my brief demo here for you on a very simple trendline trading algo strategy. I think any beginner can master this strategy in like a day. And if you'd like to get your hands on a free demo or something, just get in touch, all right? Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do me a personal favor and like this video and subscribe to the channel to see more awesome content and how to become a serious trader. And as always, guys, I'll see you on the next trade.